Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use best friend poses on Snapchat. So Snapchat has provided us a new feature in which it is providing us the avatar of our best friend, and our avatar is like together. And if you want to use this feature, then this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to just simply open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. So after opening up the Snapchat application, you guys have to simply go to the message section here. So after clicking on the message section, what you have to do is simply open up your best friend's chat. So you guys can see here is the best friend. You guys can see the emoji. So if you are unable to see any emoji right to your best friend, you have to just simply hold on the chat and make it the first option, which is pin as your number one BFF. So after making it number one BFF, the emoji will be appear to you like this. So what you have to do is simply hold on the chat. So after holding on the chat, what you have to do is you guys have to just simply click on the profile icon. So after clicking on the profile icon, you have to just simply scroll down and you guys can be able to see here is the new best friend pose, which is provided by Snapchat feature. So what you have to do is simply you guys can simply go to share button and share the pose, as well as you guys can send the snap, go to send to, and you guys can simply send it to anyone, or you guys can save it on your gallery, or you guys can make any edit or add captions or like lots of features here. So here is the way to use the Snapchat feature in which your best friend pose with your avatar. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.